What if I told you I let artificial intelligence, which means AI, control my YouTube channel completely? From choosing the video ideas, script writing, editing, making the thumbnail, everything was done by AI. And today I will show you what happened, the good, the bad, and the well. Okay? My name is Richard Creator. I do about YouTube tools and tips, AI tips and tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification to get notified on my channel. Don't forget to comment your subscriber count in comment below. Don't forget, I'll shout out in my next video. Okay? If you're my first subscriber, drop comment first subscriber in the comment. Okay, let's dive in. Day 1. Let's talk about what happened in day 1 while using artificial intelligence. One day I give ChatGPT one task. Okay, plan the entire video. That is the task I give ChatGPT, and then it gives me a viral titles, a video structure, and even the best time to upload. It literally built the roadmap for me. Okay, honestly, I was impressed. Okay, I was impressed. Day 2, I had ChatGPT write the full script. It was the first, like 2 minutes or 3 minutes. It was fast. Okay, the structure was clear and the tone was engaging. I told you the truth. Okay, but it felt robotic. Okay, because ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence, that means it will be robot. So I added a few personal touches, okay, to make it sound like me. That's why I use my own voiceover in order to reduce robotic in my videos. Okay. Day 3, for video creation, I use Pictory and the CapCut for else by adding some effects. Okay, I uploaded the script and boom, send voiceover visual done in minute. Okay, in just a few minutes. That is how my video was created. Okay, the voiceover was AI too. Before I use my voiceover, the voiceover was AI too. Okay, using 11 Lab, was it perfect? No, but no editing experience. 80 insane. Okay, then 5 day, the day 5. Okay, the thumbnail, I use Leonardo AI. I make videos on how to create viral thumbnail. Go on my channel and you'll see how to create viral thumbnail. If you don't see that video, I create it. It is on my channel now. Okay, I use Leonardo AI to generate images and designed the final thumbnail in Canva. I add bright color, bold fonts, just like pros. Okay, even A or B tested 2 visions. AI vs my design, and guess what? The AI one win. So the day 6 and 7. Okay, finally I upload the video and waited. Views were slow at the first, but then something surprised happened. I gained 4 views. Okay, because I'm starting this YouTube channel. It's a new. Okay, the algorithm is not knowing what I'm doing, but I hope that I will be monetized if I continue to use the same trick. Okay, the click-through rate is more than previous videos. In just 2 days, I got 3x the views I usually get. Okay, so can AI run YouTube channel? Yes, but you still need a human touch, brother. If you want to build a YouTube channel as content creator, if you don't want to use a GR, if you want to generate the script for everything done by AI, it's too long. You have to add your personality, human touch. Okay, let me give you some example. If ChatGPT give you script, you have to add your own words. Okay, you have to add your own words in order to add humanity in your videos and not get strict, in order to prevent strikes on YouTube. Because you see, there is an update on 15 July I think everyone knows what happened. The channels was deleted because when you because of AI channels. If your videos done by all AI, your voiceovers, your effects, everything is done by AI, no human touch. I tell you, brother, the truth, you will be banned. If you don't see some issues, if you get monetized, I know you will get banned. Please add your human touch if you use AI tools, okay? AI helps you go faster, stay consistent, and focus on the creativity side because it's faster. It's you generate script in 1 minute, then you start to apply it. You generate videos, but my friend, you have to add your human touch in order to prevent strikes on YouTube. Okay? If you are curious to try this yourself, subscribe for more AI pro tips and comment below. Would you let AI run your channel? Yeah, you have to add the comment below. You have to add your comment. And if this video it is helped, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment and share to your friends that is starting a new YouTube channel. Okay? My name is Richard. I do about YouTube tools and tips, AI tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you on the next videos.